In the video you are about to watch, the assembly of a 9-element 80L flat piston pump will be demonstrated. First, the body bearing is pressed in with the help of a tool. The blind plug balls at the back of the body are checked and placed in their seats. The springs are arranged as shown. Then, the blind plugs are assembled. The piston housings and pistons should be cleaned with air before assembly. It is tested whether the pistons move freely in their housings before assembly. A ball is placed inside the piston, followed by a perforated washer, and the piston is shaken to ensure the washer does not stay upright. Then, the springs are installed, and the piston is assembled into the housing without any misalignment. Next, the crank is pressed onto the cover. After pressing, the ball bearing and its cup are installed. Then, the body and cover are pressed together, and 4 M14 bolts are installed. The seals are greased, and the black seal is mounted onto the tool with the front face facing inward. Then, the internal circlip is installed. The open part of the circlip should face the pump oil warning hole. Then, the brown seal is installed with the front face facing outward using a tool. The pump pressure fitting is installed and the assembly process is completed. Thank you for watching.